Good morning, everyone. This is me, Abhilasha, your favorite VRC mentor, and I'm back again with yet another episode of Mornings with the Hindu. So, of course, you already know that I've been teaching for the last 22 years and that I have taught for exams like CAT and XAT. I come to you daily live at 9 a.m. and also at 9 p.m., where we are covering the Snap 100 questions. So, do remember to join me for this also. If you haven't yet connected with me, use Abhilasha English on Telegram, or you connect with me on the Unacademy Plus Learners app. You can find me on the Learners app and then follow me there, and you can also message me there. Also, if you haven't yet unlocked the Unacademy Learners app, use AbhiCat and unlock the Learners app. This will be very, very helpful for you. You will get all free courses, all free live sessions, all plus courses, also quizzes and mocks, etc., etc. Of course, you'll also get a 10% discount when you enroll for our plus or iconic courses. So remember AbhiCat. Alright, so the new courses for CAT are launching on the 6th, 8th and 9th of January, guys. Do remember to join us for each one of these. Unacademy Combat happens on 10th of January, noon to 1 p.m. And please do make sure that you join us for this great prizes. 50,000 Amazon voucher, 30,000 Amazon voucher, rupees 15,000 Amazon voucher for rank 1, 2 and 3, and then rank 4 to 100 get rupees 1,000 worth Amazon voucher. To unlock it, use the referral code ABHICAT. Like I said, don't forget this. LRDI 100% Tyler Shivam Chandak. Do join Shabana ma'am in this session. England in lockdown on rapid spread of COVID-19 variant. In a bid to control the spread of the highly transmissible new COVID-19 variant VOC 2020-12/1, the UK announced on Monday a fresh lockdown in London and southeast England, which is expected to be enforced till mid-February. The decision comes after much dithering. The scientific advisory panel had recommended days before Christmas that the government consider a national lockdown, including shutting down educational institutions. As on January 4, the UK has reported 2.7 million cases and over 75,500 deaths, the second highest toll in Europe. More than 50,000 new cases have been reported daily since December 29, 2020, with a peak of nearly 59,000 cases on January 4 and over 400 deaths daily. On Monday, more than 26,000 COVID-19 patients were admitted in hospitals, an increase of 30% from the previous week. Though the new variant does not cause increased disease severity or mortality, a surge in cases and hospitalization can lead to more deaths. It is more transmissible. The reason why the reproduction number of people a person can infect, is 1.5 to 1.7. The spread is considered to be under control when the reproduction number is less than 1. Based on an analysis of cases and genome sequences of nearly 44,500 samples collected from England between September 21 and December 13, it was found that even during the previous lockdown, the new variant spread in many locations. This even as fresh cases were generally dropping due to reduced spread of the then dominant strain. There is evidence that the earlier lockdown was effective in containing the previously predominant strain, suggesting that the new variant grew in absolute terms. The rapid spread of the new variant even during the previous lockdown might not reflect a general failure of control measures, but highlights the inherent nature of the new variant to rapidly spread given its higher transmissibility. That areas with slower baseline virus spread also reported a slightly reduced spread of the new variant suggests that it is indeed possible to reduce, if not suppress, the transmission of the new variant if the lockdown is stricter and compliance is better. It is for this reason that, unlike in the previous lockdown, schools and universities too are to be closed now. The new variant appears to affect a greater proportion of individuals under 20 years. The selective spread among the young might probably be more because educational institutions were open during the previous lockdown than due to the inherent nature of the virus. Since a resurgence of the new variant is likely when the lockdown is lifted, the focus is on accelerating vaccine rollout so that much of the population is protected and transmission is cut. The spread of new variants should alert other countries, particularly South Africa, where a problematic mutation has been found, to remain vigilant. Or the crux of the passage, now spread of new virus, fresh lockdown in England, genome sequencing being done, lockdown is effective in controlling previous strain, new strain is dangerous for the youth, accelerate vaccine rollout. What is the theme of the passage? COVID vaccine has been released, COVID strain is spreading and that is dangerous, COVID cases have peaked in December and COVID cases are increasing in Africa. Of course, guys, clearly here the correct answer cannot be D, because this is not the theme of the passage. Cases have peaked in December. Again, that's not the theme of the passage. Vaccine has been released is also not the theme. So the correct theme, guys, yes, is B, that COVID strain is spreading and that is dangerous. Each of the following is true as per the passage except. So remember, true plus except is always going to be false. Let's quickly take a look at which one is false. The new virus can be suppressed easily. Oh, here we have something that is false. The government has been vacillating about the new virus. True. The new strain is spreading among those under 20. True. The absolute number of virus affected are going up is true also. So guys, of course, clearly we can see that A is the correct answer. Wonderful. The decision comes after much dithering. The scientific advisory panel had recommended days before Christmas that the government consider a national lockdown, including shutting down educational institutions. The tone of the writer in this line is affable. Guys, affable means friendly. Now clearly the writer is not friendly here at all. Okay. Belligerent means very angry and very loud. Now clearly the writer is also not being angry or loud. Caustic, of course, is very sharp or bitter, and clearly the writer is also neither of these. Okay, so unhappy, yes, is the correct answer here. It says the decision comes after much dithering. They had recommended, including shutting down. So the writer is clearly unhappy with the state of affairs right now. Alright, guys, let's look at our vocab questions. What is the meaning of suppress? Does it mean sever, increase, restrain, or adjure? Clearly, sever, which means to cut cleanly or separate, cannot be the correct answer. Increase also cannot be the correct answer. Adjure means to ask very forcefully, also cannot be. So that is clearly exhort. So that also cannot be the correct answer. So guys, the correct answer is restrain, to stop something from increasing. Okay, that will be the correct answer. What does problematic nutrition mean? It said that South Africa has a problematic nutrition problem. So people don't like nutritious food is not correct. People eat too much is not correct. People eat too little is not correct. Problematic nutrition means that they don't get enough nutrition, and that, my boys and girls, is the correct answer. Let's look at the words here. There were very few words in this passage. So something is in force, that means it is in place or is being followed. Okay, so that. Dithering, of course, is vacillating, delaying. Let me write that down. Delaying. Peak, of course, is increase. Mortality, of course, is death rate. Surge, again, is increase. Dominant is most present. Okay. Absolute terms in numbers of deaths or of people who have been affected. Okay. Baseline, basic number. Starting point, let me say starting point. Okay. Inherent, of course, is internal, integral. Vigilant, of course, is watchful and aware. Alright, guys, please do remember to learn these words. They're all very important. They're part of our 63650 plan. That means 10 words every day makes you learn 3650 words over a year, and that is what we are trying to do. Okay, guys, I hope you will remember these. Today, of course, the sessions, of course, are at 9 p.m. where we will discuss CMAT. At 5 p.m., of course, we are having our regular MASET course, guys. So that's the plan for this week, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you have for today, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you have a nice day. I will see you at both these times. Adios, mere amigos. Also remember to like, share, and subscribe.